Welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to stop search results from opening in a new window on Wave Browser. Let's get started. On Wave Browser, when you click on a search result link, it currently opens in a new window, which can be inconvenient. Here are the steps you can take to fix this issue. Open Wave Browser and go to the top right corner to click the Control Center, represented by two toggle switches. Scroll down until you see the Enhanced Results option. Toggle the switch next to Enhanced Results to turn it off. Now, let's see if it works. Go back to your search results and click on a link. Instead of a new window, it should now open in a new tab. And that's it! Your search results will now open in new tabs, keeping your workspace organized. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.